Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to view your Robinhood statements. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and get your Robinhood statements. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is click onto the Robinhood app. And then once you're logged in, on the bottom right-hand corner, you want to click on the profile icon. Next, from here, on the upper left-hand corner, you're going to click on the hamburger icon. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Reports and Statements. So go ahead and click on Reports and Statements. So you have multiple different options here. You can see your account activity reports, or you could actually go ahead and see individual monthly statement reports. So with that being said, if I click onto individual account statements, it organizes it by month. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and view your Robinhood statements. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.